Hey there, fellow pool enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products. Today, we're diving into the world of pool maintenance with a closer look at the Hayward W560 PoolVac Navigator standard leaf canister. If you're in search of the ultimate solution to keep your pool sparkling clean, look no further, because this is the best Navigator Hayward has to offer. Picture this: a warm, sunny day, and you're ready to take a dip in your pool. But wait, what's that lurking beneath the surface? Leaves, debris, and who knows what else. Let's talk about why this leaf canister stands out from the rest. First off, it's ruggedly built with the pool professional in mind. Whether you're a seasoned pool expert or a DIY enthusiast, this canister is designed to meet your vacuuming needs. One of its standout features is the extra-large basket or bag, which traps leaves and debris before they even have a chance to reach your filter system. Say goodbye to clogged filters and hello to crystal clear water. But what really sets the Hayward W560 apart is its superior design. Thanks to its innovative construction, water will always bypass debris, ensuring proper water flow to your pump. Plus, the easy open lid provides quick access to the basket, making maintenance a breeze. And let's not forget about visibility. The Lexan see-through construction lets you keep an eye on the basket, so you'll know exactly when it needs cleaning. No more guessing games. In conclusion, if you're in the market for the best Navigator Hayward has to offer, look no further than the Hayward W560 PoolVac Navigator standard leaf canister. With its rugged build, superior design, and unmatched performance, it's a must-have for any pool owner looking to keep their oasis in pristine condition. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews on the latest products. Until next time, happy swimming!